Okay, guys, so welcome to Sunday Analysis, where I usually go over different pairs and do my predictions for the week. Okay, uh, but I know some of you guys really, still don't understand Forex that well and haven't even been in the back office that much to learn the stuff that's taught to you guys. So, I'm really just gonna be teaching you guys today. Okay, so one, I always look on the hour time frame. Okay, so these are the time frames. Basically, you choose a time frame, and whatever time frame you choose, basically that means that each one of these candlesticks right here represent 1 hour. All right, each one represents a whole hour. Okay, so from right here, from right here to right here, that was 2 days and 20 hours. Okay. Now, only thing it was 2 days because we had a break during the weekend. Like right here, 1 day. Okay, so each candlestick represents an hour here. And I like to do, my main analysis on a 1 hour, just because, it shows mostly everything that you need to see for day trading. Okay. So this is a Great British Pound versus the New Zealand dollar. I don't want you guys to get too mixed up with the currencies right now. Just think about what you're seeing on the chart. All right. So if you haven't noticed, on a 1 hour time frame, price has been continuously going up. Now, if you don't understand candlesticks, you can see on a line chart, it's just going up, right? So it's been going up for a little while now. A little while, probably like, a couple weeks. So when it's going up like this, we call this an uptrend. This is an uptrend. Okay? And how do we know that this is an uptrend? We know this is an uptrend because the trend keeps making higher highs and higher lows. So this is what this means. Higher highs. So start over here, and the new peak keeps making higher highs. Okay? Higher highs and higher lows. Okay? Higher lows. So this is a confirmed uptrend. Okay? Now, why do we want to, identify these uptrends? Is because in the Forex world, this is easy money. Okay, guys? So when we find uptrends, it's easy to make money because all we have to do is just ride the wave. All right? So our job as traders is to identify these uptrends and downtrends, which I will get to later. Basically, these trends in the market, and all we have to do is find the perfect places when to enter so that we make money. Okay? But just looking at it, it seems like if we would have just entered a buy and held it any time, we would have made money. And yes, that's true. We would have just entered a buy and we would have held it long enough, we would have made money. Okay? But to have a perfect entry and to not see that drawdown in your account, because what will happen is, let's say that we entered the market. Let's say that we entered the market right here. What would happen is that we would see drawdown because eventually it started going down. And it went down for for 2 days, okay? So obviously that was a bad time to enter, and maybe you might have lost money. Maybe you would have been already out of the trade because you're saying, well, this isn't going up. All right. It's not that it's not going up. You just entered in the wrong time. All right. So we're going to teach you guys how to enter at the right times. All right. But first, you guys need to just practice with your eyes. And I promise you guys, this gets way easier. The more you look at charts, it's like reading the book. The more you read, the better you got at reading, right? So the more you look at charts, the more you're going to be able to easily identify what's going on. So this is an uptrend. Now let's look for a downtrend. All right. A nice clean one. Okay. This is a downtrend right here, guys. Another trend, but it's just going down. Okay. So how do we know that it's a downtrend? It's going down, and it's making lower lows. Okay. Lower low right here. I mean higher low right here. Higher low right here. Higher low. Higher low. And lower lows. Okay. Lower lows. After we see this, after the second time that we see this, the higher low and the lower lows, we would have confirmed like right here that we are now in a downtrend. So we would have known that it made a lower low. Okay. So those are the trends. These are the times that we want to get into the market. We don't want to get into a market when the market is like this. Okay. The market isn't doing anything for you to make money. What would happen is if you enter at any time over here, you would just see your money go up and down. Okay, that's not what we want. We want to make, all right? Not to say that you can't make money and be out the market quick and scalp. It's just a risky trade. So we don't want to mess with none of this. This is a time where you would be patient and wait for another opportunity, or you would just go to another pair. So what do we want to look for, guys? Trends. Whether it's a downtrend or an uptrend. Okay? These are the high probability trades right here. Downtrends and uptrends. Okay. Now, these candlesticks. I know you guys may be confused on the candlesticks. You guys don't need to know what every candlestick means. Okay? You just have to trade what you see, and I'll tell you what I mean by that. So, obviously, there are bigger candles and there are smaller candles, and there are candles that are barely even candles. Okay? So, I'll tell you what you guys need to know. All right? So, the green candle represents the bulls and the buyers, right? When we trade, our idea is to buy low and sell high. So you can see this happen. When the price gets low, there are buyers. When the price gets high, there are sellers. When the price gets low, there are buyers. When the price gets high, there are sellers. Okay? So we always want to buy low and sell high. Even when there's an uptrend, we wouldn't want to buy like right here. Okay? Because we just see drawdown. Okay? So we buy low and sell high. We would wait for the perfect opportunity to enter the uptrend at a low. Now, there are ways that I will show you that we can enter these at perfect times. All right? I mean, you won't always get a perfect entry, but you can get the best entry that you can get, you know? So buy low and sell high, all right? That goes for the downtrends as well, okay, guys? We go back over here, same thing. Sell high, buy low, you see? But on a downtrend, we wouldn't really be looking for buy opportunities. On a downtrend, we'd be looking for sell opportunities. So when it gets to a high, we would start selling, okay? And now we could ride this out. We could sell right here. We could have, rolled this out, the whole time, or we can wait for other entries, okay? Like right there, all right? And right there. Now, how will we know to get these entries on these downtrends and uptrends? Okay. Well, I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of some sauce now. Okay. This is the first indicator that I'm going to introduce to you guys. Now, this indicator is called a TDI, all right? Now, don't get caught up on the settings that you need for this. After the call, you can message me and I'll give you the exact settings that you need to set this up. You can also get this on your phone as well. If you have the MetaTrader 4 app downloaded and you already started demo trading, you can get this indicator on your phone. And this is one of the ways that I'm able to make money on the go, you know what I'm saying, with accuracy, using this indicator, the TDI, okay? Now, what the TDI measures is momentum and the trends, okay? Now, this TDI was made to trade stocks. Long time ago, some guy made this and he made millions of dollars off of this one indicator and he used it to trade stocks. Now, I'm gonna show you how he used it, okay? This method right here, this is the first method that you will learn outside of the Tradera courses, okay? So this method right here is called the shark fin method, all right? Now, I hope you guys can see that, there are outer blue lines here, okay? You see these outer blue lines, all right? I want you guys to imagine that these outer blue lines is the water, okay? It's just water, all right? And what you see right here, when the lines get outside of those blue lines, it may look like a shark fin. It's shark fin method, okay? Another one over here, shark fin. Now, it won't always go outside of the lines because it's a momentum indicator. But when you see a shark fin, especially when you see outside of the lines, it really means something. So I'll show you what it means. In the stocks, they use this for oversold and overbought, okay? Meaning, when you see a shark fin on the top, it is overbought. That means that a stock was overbought, okay? Now, when you see it on the bottom, it means that a stock was oversold. Now, why is this important to us? Because we want to enter at a low, right? We want to buy at a low and sell at a high. So that's why this tool is so important to us, okay? So now look at this, guys. Exactly where I'm marked up, okay? Where I'm marked up, you see where I circled this? These are lows, okay? And not only was it a low, but you can see the momentum going up. Okay. Oops. You could see momentum going up here. All right. You could see it going up, and we were at a low, and we had some shark fins. Okay. So this was a great place where you could have entered for a buy. You would have seen that. But you only would have seen that if you knew how the TDI works. All right. Another area. This was the shark fin right here, oversold. Another area where you could have bought. All right. Right there. Right there. Now you see momentum started to go up. Okay. But if you entered right here on this shark fin, you would have made a lot of money because you trusted that the uptrend will continue, and it did. It did. It did. We have another one over here. Little shark fin, another great entry. All right. So if you can find these little shark fins, these are easy entries. Okay. Now let's say an example of a downtrend. Shark fins for overbought area. Okay. Now, like I said, it won't always be outside of the water because it's a momentum indicator at the end of the day. But if you can see it, you can see it. This is first I'm sorry, I can't hear you breaking up. But this is a good entry for a sell right here. Good entry for a sell. Shark fin. Shark fin. Okay. Then look, momentum starts to go up. Okay. This little thing it was higher than the other ones, as you can see. This shark fin was higher than all the other last ones, and the momentum just started going up. And what happened? Price started going up. Okay. Then it made another shark fin. It started going down again. This is overbought. So you guys see how we can use these indicators to find great entries in the market. All right. Now, let's say that we see these indicators and, we see the chart is going up or down, whatever. And for some reason, you feel like, okay, I see a great opportunity to enter the market. You may see this on your laptop. You may see this on your phone. Okay. Now I'll show you how to enter with this strategy. All right. Oversold area. Boom. Let's say that we want to enter right here. All right. I'll just mark up the area. And I will go on my 5-minute time frame. Why do I go on a 5-minute time frame? Because anything lower than the 45-minute time frames are just entry time frames. These are what we call entry time frames. So the 1 hour time frame is our analysis time frame, and the 5-minute is our entry. Okay. So go on our 5-minute, we look for the area that we circled.
Yo,
Yo,
can you do that one more time, bro?
which part, bro?
Could you go back to the part like where you circled where you wanted to be at, and then like how you went back and found it in the other minutes? Can you go back to where you circled it? How did you do that?
Okay, sure.
You know what I mean, right?
Yeah, I know what you mean. All right, so basically, I seen a shark fin, right?
Right.
Seen a shark fin right here. This is the area where it happened. All I did was took a little tool and I circled it. Right? You see that little circle?
Yeah.
I want my time frame area. You can switch the time frame on your phone as well. I went to 5 minute and I just look for it. I look for the part that I circled. Okay.
And I want to see. I want to see you find that joint.
So there it is.
Oh yeah.
There it is. Now once I see it, I know I'm about to enter or buy. Now, how do we enter this? Let's say that we're here in the market right now. We don't know what's gonna go on, but we see that the shark fin is about to form. Okay. Let's see. Boom. The shark fin formed, whatever. And then, okay, boom. So now we enter. Now we use our prediction tools. Okay. So if you don't have a trading view account, you need to make a trading view account. Right. This is where you're gonna have all your spot on analysis. So I will go to my long position, which means we're going to buy. Now I'll click right where I'm going to buy. I'll place my stop loss. Okay. And usually your stop loss doesn't want to be no more than like 22 pips, you know, for risk management. And then your TP depends on you. You know, you could be a really wealthy man getting 20 pips a day. You know what I'm saying? Getting 20 pips and getting out the market. Okay. Every day. You know, some traders go for more. So it's up to you. It also depends on your analysis. If you think it's gonna be trending for a long time. Okay. So this is a 100 pip trade right here. All right, 100 pips is a lot of money, depending on your lot size. Okay. So, boom, play it out. And what happens? He's going up. All right. So we're in a little uptrend. We're in profit, instant profit. If you would have entered the trade like that, you would have been an instant profit. Okay. And now this is the part where you just be patient and you just wait for your trade to play out. All right. We wait for our trade to play out. And some trades could take a while to you know, to hit your TP. Depending on, all right, so it almost just hit it right there. All right. So it depends. You know, this is a pretty large TP, but you know, obviously if you would have had 20 pips, would have been a W. You know what I'm saying? If you had, you know, 95 pips, it would have been a W already. So that's just how you enter a trade using the shark fin method. All right. Now I'll show you guys an example on a downtrend. Okay. Here we go. All right. You can look at it in the line. You see it more clear. All right. Now, on our TDI, we had some shark fins. All right. So real life, I probably would have sold right here and caught this whole move because I knew how to work the TDI. Okay, I knew I probably would have used sold right there. Or you could have entered right there just knowing that we're in a current downtrend. All right. But, you know, having the knowledge of knowing what's going on is going to bring the money in your pockets. So, boom. Let's say we missed out on this opportunity. Shark fin right here. Okay. Let's go. Oh, wow. It just brought me all the way back over there. Hold on, guys. Okay. So let's say that we don't see any of this yet, right? This is where we are in the market, and you can see that there's a shark fin. All right, this is what it would look like in real time. You would see that a shark fin is about to form. Maybe you play it out a little bit. And you see that the whole shark fin forms, okay? Maybe you decide to get in the market after you see a couple red candlesticks. How do we enter this? After seeing the shark fin, seeing the candlesticks that we want to see, seeing that, it may be a downtrend, momentum is going down as well. We go to our prediction tool my fault, guys. We circle up the area where we're going to mark and where we're going to enter. So this is where we enter, and we go in the 5-minute time frame and we go find it. Okay. Boom, there it is. Then we go to our prediction tool and we use a short tool because we're selling. All right. Use our stop loss. All right. And our TP. Now, different currencies and different pairs move faster and slower. Different pairs, you're going to have different stop losses and stuff for. Each trade is going to be different. But, typically, this is how you would want to enter a trade. Okay? Always your take profit is going to be a lot more bigger than your stop loss. So you can risk the least and gain the most. Okay? And as soon as you go, you're in profit. The trades give you a little scare, and boom, you trust in your analysis, you in profit. Okay. And that's how you enter a trade, man. And boom, it hit your TP. You got your money, you out. All right. And it would have hit for more too if you stayed in. It also would have gave you a big scare. All right here. Still didn't hit your stop loss though. But it hit for 82 pips, and then it hit for 150. And look how much we risked here, guys. That's called a sniper trade. Sniper entry, guys. So just to recap before this meeting ends, I think we only have like 5 more minutes, something like that. I'll write down the rules for you guys. Okay. Main. Okay. Ooh. We on 1 hour. Find trends. Find shark fins. Find good candlestick patterns. Okay. Circle your entry point. Use, I'll just say enter on 15 to 5, anywhere from the 15 to 1 minute time frame. Okay. So that's the shark fin strategy. And that's just a little easy strategy that you guys can just, use for anything, really. Scalping, day trading, so that's just a little easy strategy you guys can use. Analysis done in 1 hour. You find your trends, find your shark fins, find good candlestick patterns, circle your entry point, and enter in on a 15 or 1 minute time frame. Okay? Any time frame from 15 to 1 is good. Okay, the 1 minute is just candlesticks in more detail. Okay? It's just each candlestick represents 1 minute. All right, it's just everything in more detail. If you want to get even even more sniper entry, you go for the, but it's not necessary. So that's my shark fin strategy, guys. It's one of the easier strategies, especially if you want to trade on your phone. And if you guys need help getting that TDI indicator on your phone, just message me personally, and I'll send you the settings that you need to put in your phone. Okay, guys? So our time is up for tonight. Any other questions, just hit me up directly. I'm here to help you guys. I'm probably going to do more of these sessions during the week, and I'm probably going to be trading myself during this week. So